Will this hose spray solution actually leave your windows streak free? This is a simple and fast review of the Windex outdoor glass cleaner for hoses. We're going to open it up, test it out, show you what it looks like, and of course let you know whether or not it's worth buying. All right, so just giving you a quick close-up details. Each one of these is 32 fluid ounces, supposed to be a streak-free shine. What that means is simply we're going to connect our hose to the back here. This is going to obviously have 3 different pieces. It's going to be a rinse, clean, and off. So I believe we're going to want to hose it down with the rinse. We're going to then clean it, and then we're going to go back to rinse, and then we're going to turn it off. So it'll be kind of phased out, like turn it on, hose down the area, clean it, then re-hose down the area, and then turn it off. Really simple. Again, hooks in there. It does have a little plug in the front that allows you to kind of keep it closed. So obviously we'll need to make sure we remove that before use. Just simply pop that out like so, then spray, and then pop it back in when done. So we'll go ahead and test it out. So I'm going to try and give you a close-up of kind of what this looks like. There are some cobwebs on the inside, but as you can see, some dusty windows. There's some dust buildup on the garage door here. So we're just going to try and do a rinse first of all, and then the Windex cleaning, and see what it does. All right, so we're just going to tighten this on. Actually, to try and do this even more efficiently, I'm going to tighten this on afterwards. First thing I'm going to do is wet it down. So you may basically want to wet it down before you get started. After that, you're going to screw it on, and we're going to turn it to clean. And just let it spray. As you can see, it kind of does a decent job here, shooting out. You get the whole door. There is a little bit of a smell to this, just be aware of that. And then we'll just turn it back to off. And you'll want to let it sit for about 10 minutes. All right, it's been about 10 minutes, so now we're just going to go to there's clean and then there's rinse. We're going to go to rinse. And it may shoot out a little bit of the stuff at first, but afterwards it should be relatively clean, and you're just going to rinse this thing off. You can do this with this on or without. I'll do it with, just to give you a feel of how it shoots still. But I'll probably end up just taking this off for a full quality clean. Alright, so after it dried, you can see, I mean, this stuff was cooked on, but it didn't really do that much. So I'm not sure if this is necessarily worthwhile or not. I'm trying to give you some sunny views. It looks like it cleaned the windows a little bit, but certainly not enough. That it would definitely still require some scrubbing. So definitely not a touchless solution. So hopefully this review helps, saves you some money from buying if you're looking for a touchless solution. Thanks for watching.